In front of me is OnePlus Nord 4 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then tap on this icon of a plus at the bottom left corner, and firstly, to add an audio file, select Files. Now look for your file by tapping on Audio at the top, selecting one of those apps or clicking those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, after finding your file, just hold it and click Select at the top right corner to attach it. Now to add a video one, you need to hit Gallery section instead of Files. Sorry, misclick. Then if your video is recent, click on it over here. And if it's not, select Folders. Then look for it here and click on it to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!